Hi, I'm Pat. All right, this group of problems, they've given us a theta. They've given us an angle. What they're asking us to do is to find theta prime, that reference angle. They also want us to sketch theta in standard position and to label theta prime. So here we go. One of the first things I'll do with this one, now mine, it's negative. There's a negative 260-degree angle. So if I just do a little bit of arithmetic, the negative 260 degrees plus 360 degrees equals 100 degrees. And I'm doing that arithmetic only because I do have that negative value for the angle. And if I look at it as a positive 100 by adding the 360, I have just determined that the angle theta that they gave me is coterminal with an angle measure of 100 degrees. 100 degrees, since it's positive, I would go counterclockwise, and it's bigger than 90, so just a little bit past 90, and I'd get there. And the point with those coterminal angles then, that approach that we just took, is now I can draw that terminal side of the theta that they want me to work with. And it would be about there. Initial side always on that positive x-axis. But in the clockwise direction, that's theta. All right, so I found the coterminal just so it was easier for me to sketch. But whatever angle they give you, make sure you can do a quick rough sketch for yourself. And that's part of what they ask of us, right, is to sketch theta in standard position. So I've got that going for me. And the bigger point, I would suggest, of this problem is they want us to find theta prime, that reference angle. So to do that, I am looking for the positive acute angle that the terminal side of my theta makes with the x-axis. So it would be right here. That's my theta prime. Okay? Of course, in a different problem, your terminal side of the angle could end up anywhere, but always look for that shortest distance to the x-axis. Whether you go down like I just did, or in a different problem, maybe your terminal side is here, so go up, but get to that x-axis. Okay? All right, so that visually is my reference angle theta prime, and I'd also like to get a numerical label on that as well. So theta prime, now if you realize, even with that 100-degree coterminal angle that I drew for myself, that theta prime, now realize, that's just the supplement to the 100 degrees. See, so the pink angle plus the red angle is going to be 180 degrees, right? So my theta prime will be the 180 degrees minus the 100 degrees. Simple math, I think, is just 80 degrees for the size of my reference angle. Okay? Hope that helped. Of course, I hope you practice more on your own.